Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Students, do you remember we have seen geometrical figures? Can you tell me the names of that geometrical figures? आपण काही geometrical figures पाहिल्या, त्यातली नावं तुम्हाला काही आठवत आहेत का? Yes, angles, types of angles, circle, parts of circle, right? Now tell me, what is this? This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle, and we have seen a circle and the parts of the circle. And which figure is this? Rectangle. Okay, so today we are going to learn the parts of the triangle, square and circle. We have seen rectangle. What is this? Which figure is this? This is a rectangle. Good. So you know that rectangle has 4 sides. Can you count that? 4 sides? Right. That 4 sides, that 4 corners are called angles. We have seen that. त्या कॉर्नर जे आहेत, दोन बाजू जिथे एकमेकांना मिळतात, एकत्र जोडल्या जातात, त्यांना अँगल म्हणतात. हे आपण शिकलोय, बरोबर? पण त्या बाजू ज्या आहेत त्या एकमेकांना जिथे जोडल्या जातात त्या एका बिंदूमध्ये जोडल्या जातात, बरोबर? एका पॉइंट मध्ये जोडल्या जातात. त्या पॉइंटला म्हणतात व्हर्टायसेस. त्या पॉइंटला व्हर्टेक्स म्हणतात. पण रेक्टँगल मध्ये असे किती व्हर्टायसेस आहेत? 4 व्हर्टायसेस. सो a rectangle has 4 edges, that is 4 sides. The point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. So see which are the vertex? Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. So these 4 vertices are there in the rectangle. Okay. Now in this figure means rectangle ABCD. The name of the rectangle is ABCD. In this figure, see AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the sides of the rectangle. These are the sides of the rectangle. So how many sides are there? 4 sides of the rectangle. Okay, but you observe that the opposite sides of the rectangle are of equal length. Means side AB and side DC are the opposite sides, right? So these 2 sides are of equal length, right? And side AD and side BC are also of equal length. Okay, so there are 4 sides. Side AB and side DC are of equal length, and side AD and side BC, these 2 are of equal length. Okay, so rectangle has 4 vertices and 4 sides. And then angles. How many angles are there? You have seen angles. So angle A, angle B, angle D and angle C. So there are 4 angles, right? So the rectangle has 4 vertices, 4 sides and 4 angles. Now observe the angles. The rectangle has 4 right angles. Which angles? Right angles. The right angles of 90 degrees. Right? So, a rectangle is also called a right-angled quadrilateral. Understood? A rectangle is also called a right-angled quadrilateral. हे जो रेक्टँगल आहे त्या रेक्टँगल मध्ये चारही कोन कोणते असतात? राईट अँगल असतात. म्हणून त्या रेक्टँगलला राईट अँगल्ड क्वाड्रिलॅटरल असं सुद्धा म्हणतात. आणि म्हणजेच आयताला 4 व्हर्टायसेस असतात, 4 बाजू असतात. त्या बाजूंमध्ये समोरासमोरील बाजू समान लांबीच्या असतात आणि त्याचे जे अँगल्स आहेत ते अँगल्स राईट अँगल्स असतात, 90 डिग्रीचे असतात आणि ते चारही अँगल्स 90 डिग्रीचे असल्यामुळे रेक्टँगलला काय म्हटलं जातं? अ राईट अँगल्ड क्वाड्रिलॅटरल. आले लक्षात? What are the parts of the rectangle? First, the point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. Okay? And how many vertices the rectangle has? A rectangle has 4 vertices. Next, a rectangle has 4 edges. Edges means sides. Third one, the opposite sides of the rectangle are of equal length. समोरासमोरील बाजू समान लांबीच्या असतात. A rectangle has 4 right angles of 90 degrees. रेक्टँगलचे जे 4 कोन असतात, ज्या 4 अँगल्स असतात ते राईट अँगल्स असतात. सो a rectangle is also called a right angled quadrilateral. So a rectangle is also called a right angled quadrilateral. आले लक्षात? रेक्टँगलचं समजलंय पार्ट्स कोणते आहेत? रेक्टँगलला 4 व्हर्टेक्स असतात, 4 बाजू असतात, 4 कोन असतात. ओके? नेक्स्ट, नाउ सी, what is the figure? This is a square, right? Now tell me, how many vertices are there in the square? Yes, see, A, B, C and D. These 4 vertices are in the square ABCD. Okay? Then in this square, how many sides are there? There are 4 sides. Which are those? Side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD. Right? So square has 4 vertices and 4 sides. Okay? And what about angles? See, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So square has also 4 angles. But which angles? Very good, right angles. Here square also has 4 right angles. Okay? Means a square has 4 vertices, 4 sides and 4 angles. Observe the sides of the square. Yes, that all sides are of equal length. All sides are sides of equal length, right? Means side AB, is equal to side BC is equal to side DC and is equal to side AD, right? Means these four sides of the square are of equal length. Okay, next, square has four vertices. A square has four sides. All the sides of a square are of equal length, and a square has four right angles. Okay, next, which figure is this? This is a triangle, right? This is a triangle. So now tell me, how many vertices are there in this triangle? 3 vertices, right? See, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. So vertex A, vertex B and vertex C, these 3 vertices are there in a triangle. Okay. Next, how many sides are there in a triangle? There are 3 sides. Which sides? Side AB, side BC and side AC, right? So there are 3 sides in the triangle. And what about angles? There are 3 angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C, right? So triangle has 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay? Okay. See here, triangle has 3 vertices. A triangle has 3 sides and a triangle has 3 angles. Okay? Now see all figures all together. First is the rectangle. What is the name of the rectangle? Rectangle ABCD. What is the name of the square? Square ABCD. Okay? And what is the name of the triangle? Triangle ABC. Okay? So we have seen rectangle has 4 vertices, 4 sides and 4 angles. Opposite sides of rectangle are in equal length. Okay, means side AB is equal to side DC and side AD is equal to side BC. Very good. And then there are 4 angles: angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So that 4 angles are right angles. So this rectangle is also called a right angled quadrilateral. Barabar? Next, square. Square has 4 vertices and 4 equal sides. Right? 4 equal sides of lengths and 4 angles. 4 angles that are also right angles. Third one is triangle. Triangle has 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles. Understood, students? So we have seen these 3 figures and parts of these 3 figures. Okay? Now there is assignment for you. There are some figures and you have to write down name of the sides, name of vertices. Okay? Is it difficult for you? No, it is very simple. You can solve this. Okay? So, पुन्हा भेटूया. Thank you.